it's definitely a lot, you know? What's wrong with a lot? Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with a new video, and in today's video we're doing something a little different. Today I have a haul slash unboxing for y'all. I have not done a jewelry review or unboxing on the channel in a while. I think it's been a couple years maybe, but it's been a minute. So today we have a new company. Today I am featuring IceyQueen. They have some really different pieces. I'm so excited to show them to you. Of course, I'm wearing one, my favorite piece, of course. And you know I love gold, so we're gonna save this one for last and we're gonna jump into a few other pieces. The first piece that I'm gonna show you is the Colorful Dream Princess Gemstone Necklace. So this comes in gold or silver. I have this in the silver. It comes in this really cute packaging. This is the necklace. This is absolutely gorgeous. So you see it has these large gems in here. This to me is a really dressy piece. This I would wear for like, if I'm going to an event, this is really pretty. Why it's called IceyQueen, because do you see this? It's shiny. Okay, so I'm going to put this one on. And so you have 4 inches of adjustment. So you can make it more like a choker, or you can wear it how I'm wearing it, where it hangs like a drop down a little bit. So this is hypoallergenic and tarnish proof, because I know you're saying, why would I pay that price for something that's gonna tarnish? This is tarnish proof. This is also water resistant. You can wear this solo, or you can wear it layered to make a statement. I love this. Like I said, I'm typically a gold person, but I really do like this. And I said that I would probably only wear this to an event, but to be honest, I feel like this elevates any look. So I'm gonna take the gold one off, and the gems go all the way around except in the back where you have that 4 inches to adjust the size. So this one is the first piece, and keep in mind everything will be linked down below. So we're gonna move on to the next piece, which is a set. So I have a necklace and a bracelet. So the next piece I'm gonna show you is called the Mosaic Garden Gemstone Set. It is a necklace and a bracelet. And once again, it comes in this cute packaging here that says IceyQueen. It has that little crown on there. That is cute for branding. The piece here. Now this piece, I can see the inspo. And once again, this one comes in 18 karat gold or white gold. But with this one, you can get this in either 16, 18, or 20 inches. I have this in the 16. And once again, you have that 4 inches of adjustable chain right here to make it like a choker or to drop it down. Okay, so this is the Mosaic Garden necklace on top. Once again, I have them stacked. A bracelet that goes with this also comes in a cute IceyQueen box. So cute. These are the charms on here. And this bracelet is adjustable as well. So this is what the bracelet looks like on. This one here and this set. Once again, I'm gonna take this one off so you can see what it looks like by itself. So this is the necklace by itself. And I really like I said, I went into this video saying that I probably was really only gonna wear the gold, but I love all of these pieces. They're so unique. Definitely eye-catching, definitely like statement pieces. You're definitely going to get questions, compliments, and comments on these pieces, and they are definitely icy. So this is the Mosaic Garden Gemstone set. I have the bracelet stacked with something else. Look how pretty that is. So let's get into my favorite piece that I have been gatekeeping the whole video. The Fresh Harmony Gemstone necklace, and I have the matching bracelet. This piece is beautiful. Beautiful. Very similar to the Mosaic one, but the shapes of the gems are different. And this one has like what I would think like a LV or Van Cleef inspired charm. This one does not. All these different gem colors, and it's gold. This one is also adjustable, and you have that clasp and 4 inches of chain to adjust the size. So I'm going to stack that one with this necklace here. So that's what these look like. I love it. I don't know, I like it. And once again, the matching bracelet. The Fresh Harmony Gemstone bracelet, which is a perfect match. You have that clasp there, so you can make it tight and cinch it so it fits really tight, or you can leave it like this one where there's a little bit of room. So those are all of the pieces that I wanted to show you from IceyQueen. I will have all of the pieces linked in order down below in the description box. Let me know what your favorite piece was. I know I started off the video saying that this was my favorite, but honestly, when I stacked these two together, these are such a statement piece that you could wear them individually, but I don't mind them stacked at all. Like even this together was cute. It's a lot. It's definitely a lot, but I like it. You know, what's wrong with a lot? I'm going to have everything down below in the description box. Big thank you to IceyQueen for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to y'all for clicking on another video. I'm going to add this video to my playlist of unboxings and hauls. And if I can find the last jewelry haul that I did, I'll link that at the end of this video so you can check out those pieces as well. Don't forget to like this video on your way out, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.